Okay, children, sorry. Now we'll continue with the slide. This exercise, it is given in your page number 6 in the textbook, so you can do it later. Now we will move to the next slide. Here we are going to learn about national development. So as we have learned that each person is having his own developmental goals, in the same way, each one is having their own motive of national development. So we can say that a farmer, what is his development India will be different from what I am expecting. So each one is having his own national development. So here we have to define national development. National development is refers to the progress and ability of a country or countries to improve the social welfare of the people. For example, by providing social amenities like good education, infrastructure, medical care, and social service. So here, national development refers to the, or we can define national development as we have learned in the development definition. The same thing only here also we are focusing the quality of life of the people. How we can improve the quality of life of the people through providing the basic amenities like good education, infrastructure, medical care, and social service. Okay, so now we are going to divide the countries based on this national income. So how we can compare different countries? For example, uh, from your class 10th grade, how we can compare different students? We know that you all are differ in height, health, interest, talents. Okay, so when I am comparing you, I should have certain criteria for that. How I can compare you based on certain criteria, and my criteria should be on the purpose of uh, for the purpose of what I am comparing. For example, if I want to select a sports team, I should not see how much you scored in different subjects. I should see your talent in sports, how you are in sports, and what how you can perform there. Or if I am talking about the dance team, so I have to see how you can dance and how you can sing. Depending upon the um, purpose, we can see the criterion. So if I'm calling the sports team, we all know. If I'm selecting the football team, which all children will join with me? Tell me. Aditya will be there, isn't it? Aditya, Rishabh. Without you, there is no, we know he's the goalkeeper, isn't it? So for selecting the sports team, we will see your ability in that. Okay. So in the same way, here we are going to divide or compare countries or the states. So here the important attributes for this comparison is national income. For countries where national income, we can say it is considered to be one of the most important attributes of national development. Countries with higher income are more developed than others with less income. So what we will call these higher income countries? Higher income countries, we are call them as, or we'll call them as developed countries. Okay, so here we can say that countries with higher income are more developed than others with less income. This is based on the understanding that more income means more of all things that human beings need. So greater income itself is considered to be one of the important goals. So when we are comparing different countries, we can say that national income is one of the attributes for that. So it's better we should know the definition of national income. What is national income? National income is sum of the total incomes of the residents that country over a period of time. National income is sum total of all the incomes of the residents of the country over a period of time. So whatever income we are earning, in the say in the name, the what we have learned the definition of income. the salaries, wages, interest, profits, whatever we are earning, that together, whatever the residents of a particular country, the income of the residents of a particular country, together we can call it as national income. Okay, so we can consider national income is one of the attribute for comparing different countries. But one thing we can say that it is not a useful measure of comparing countries. Can anybody tell me what is the reason for that? I told you that national income is considered as one of the major attribute for national development, but we cannot compare countries. It is not a useful measure for comparing countries. What is the reason for that? We will stop the class with that. Can anybody tell me?
Population.
Exactly. Very good. Amoga, very good. So here we can see that each country is having different population. So if we are comparing the countries on the basis of national income, it will not be proper. And at the same time, we are not understanding how the average income earned by each person, we are not able to understand if we are comparing the countries based on national income. Is it clear to you? So we can define national income as the sum total of all the incomes of the residents of the country over a period of time. Okay. So again, I have told you that though national income is very, very important, but it is not a useful measure for comparing different countries because each country is having different population level, and also it is not showing the average income earned by each person. Okay, so can you just tell me which is the most developed country according to the current status? The most developed country. Just try. Just try. Huh?
Ma'am, US.
US is in the sixth place, fifth or sixth
China.
place.
China.
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 Ma'am, the US.
India.
Okay. It's actually
America.
Sunidhi, what is your?
Ma'am, US.
US is in the sixth or fifth rank. It is actually Norway. The first position is Norway. Then we have Australia, then Switzerland. Okay. So according to the development, you can just search it in the Google. You can see it is interesting when we are learning this chapter, which is the most developed country, or in our state, which is the most developed, state is having more per capita income. All these things you can just find out. Okay. Now we will just recapitulate what we have learned today. So we have learned with development, we learned the definition of development, the growth of the economy along with the improvement in the quality of life of the people, like health, education, infrastructure. So here the key points, what you have to write is health, education, infrastructure. Now coming to the next, we can see that what are the essential things that is very, very simple to understand. Next point, we have learned about what are the developmental goals, and different people have different goals, and some goals, the developmental goal of one person will be destructive for the other person. With example, you can explain this, and this table, or I hope all of you understood. Here, the definition of income, all wages, salaries, payment, rents, and other forms of earnings given in a period of time. Then we have learned that along with the monetary things or material things, we have other development goals such as equal treatment, freedom, security, respect, we can say happiness. All these are also our goals. Okay. Then we have learned about the national income. The definition of national income we have learned, which is sum total of all the incomes of the residents of the country over a period of time. And there is the drawback for comparing the countries based on national income, because it is because of the population differences, and also it is not stating the average income earned by each individual. I hope all of you understood these concepts. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suraj? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other
Yes,
doubts from this till here, what we have discussed? Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is very easy, no? So it's better today itself, you just read the textbook. Okay, so it will register in your mind. It will be easy for you to learn. Okay, so whatever is the
Okay, ma'am.
homework, I will be uploading in that doc file what we are sharing with you. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Ma'am, can you show the 11th slide again?
By the way, I will show it tomorrow. See, already time up. Okay. I will explain it tomorrow once again. 11th slide.
Easy.
Ma'am, I just need to see the slide because I was writing notes.
Sad.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, enough. Is it okay?
1 second, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
1 second.
Okay, okay,
oh.
carry on.
Yes,
Yes, done, no? Okay.
ma'am.